Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up a specific part of a video with CapCut. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and let's learn the process. So here we go. I'm on my computer screen and as you can see, I've got one video in my timeline. And as of now, the video length is 2 minutes and 12 seconds. So let's say I want to speed up the whole video. So I'm going to select the video and after that, by default the video tab will be selected, but we have to go here on speed and after that we'll find this speed adjustment feature, right? So now it is in 1x. Let's say I want to take it to 4x, right? And just take a look, the video length as of now is 33 seconds. And if I play the video from here very fast. So now let's say I want this video to be 1.25 X, and if I play the video,
blur faces in your video with CapCut. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen.
All right, so you can basically speed up to 100x if you want, which most probably you don't need. So anyways, I'm gonna take it back to 1x, and after that, let's say you want to speed up a specific part in the middle. So I'm gonna start speeding up from here. So I'm gonna split this, and then I'm gonna end the speed up right here. So I'm gonna split this part and I want to speed up this middle part. To do this, simply we have to select the middle part, then again we have to go here on speed tab, and after that we're going to find this thing right here. So if I increase the speed, you can see the video length will be shorter, and if I want, I can decrease the speed as well and the video length will be longer, because if I play this with this short slower speed, you can see
full screen. You can see the girl is...
My voice got slower, isn't it? And the video got slower. But if I take it to, let's say, 2x, you can see from this part, it's became shorter, isn't it? So now it's in 2x,
the middle part. Like. So let's click on this plus icon, and we're gonna do this for this video.
All right. So this is it for the video. I believe you have found this video helpful. If you have got any question at all, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel and check out my other CapCut tutorials to learn more about CapCut video editing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.